smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what makes.
Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I'm doing Ivy from the 1992 movie Poison Ivy, played by Drew Barrymore. And since my The Rage Carrie 2 Rachel Lane makeup tutorial, the same person that requested the Carrie and the Rage Carrie 2 tutorials requested more vintagey, like in two other 90s makeup looks, since I already admitted to you guys how much I love doing natural makeup looks on my channel. So I have another one for you today, which is obviously, like I said, Ivy from the 1992 movie Poison Ivy. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Starting with the eyes, I'm taking this light brown color in the shade Honest from my Profusion Eye and Cheek palette, and I'm just sweeping it all over my lids. Then I'm taking the shimmery peach color from my Profusion face palette and just patting that over my lids for a little bit of some shimmer. Going back with the eye and cheek palette and using the shade Cookie, I'm applying that to my crease.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine.
Now I'm taking another blending brush so it's less harsh looking, because in this Bono photo I have of her, it looks like she has some kind of light brown on the lids, and in her crease it looks darker. Now I'm mixing Honest and Cookie and applying that to my bottom lash line. Now take any matte cream or white eyeshadow and apply this to your brow bone for some highlight. Now I'm taking this eyebrow pencil right here and I'm using it to fill in my eyebrows, and Drew's eyebrows were actually a little bit darker compared to her blonde hair, and I tried to replicate that, but it kind of didn't work so well for me, especially with my dark blonde hair.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
Time for some eyeliner. I'm going with this dark brown one from Wet n Wild and using a smudge tip brush to line it, because it didn't look like she was wearing any black eyeliner, so I'm going with this brown one instead because we wanted a more natural soft look. Now I'm taking this brown shadow and come back and use it to lock it all in. Now I'm taking this pink blush right here in Breathtaking and just applying that to my cheeks. Now curl your lashes for some lift and apply some mascara.
To think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
Finally, onto lips. I couldn't decide which lip color to go with because I thought it looked like she was wearing two lip colors or maybe a combo. So I'm going with this nude color from Lorac and just applying that to my lips and blending it in with a red lip color, and by using a lip brush to blend it all in. And there's a complete look inspired by Ivy from Poison Ivy.
Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. You make me, oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed my transformation as Ivy from the 1992 movie Poison Ivy. Please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any other makeup tutorials you want me to do. Actually, I forgot to mention this, like the other, some other like 90s vintagey makeup looks. One person that requested Carrie and Rage Carrie 2 tutorials. I'm assuming that she requested to do some kind of like actress that was popular in the 60s and 90s, and also this one character from this 1998 movie called Ever After. I forgot her name, but she did request those as well. So hopefully you'll see that on my channel soon. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.